Alrighty everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. Today we're gonna go to the IE. We're gonna go visit our friend Francisco Mata because Jacky did not pass Smog. So he can help me out with the timing. That's the biggest thing I don't know how to do. I don't have the machine. So he'll do the timing, and then we're also gonna get the EGR valve and then clean the EGR runner, which I've done those two in the past. I know I can do those by myself. The timing though, I don't have a little gun. I don't know how to fix the timing. And I'm also gonna go give him his shirts that he also ordered as well. So 2 birds 1 stone type of thing, and say what's up to him. So 3 birds 1 stone. All right, catch you guys there. 6:45. I should be getting there about 7:50ish, maybe 8. But yeah, let's move the cars first and then we'll make it out there.
I didn't break. It broke on me. So then he was like, "We have to buy me one." I was like, "Man, well, here's this one." He was like, "All right."
How did they break?
I left it on top of the car.
Oh, okay. So it's not like something like while used. You just something must have slammed or something.
Holy shit!
Sick.
It's a mess, but.
So that's good, huh? That it made it to the garage. That means that it's gonna be out.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I already did the door jams. I did everything.
So you were spraying the whole entire thing back?
Shoot. Try it again.
What is this? Oh, for the Miata, huh?
For the Miata.
So what? Damn, the whole thing?
Door jam. I already did the door jams, the outside and then the engine bay again. It's still dirty, but.
That was good.
It was dirty because I was still sanding and everything, but.
Damn. Yeah, Merita, no? 5 years in the making?
Yeah, 5 years. No, that's 3 years.
Oh, you gotta do the engine bay todavía?
Yeah.
You had already done it, no?
Yeah, but the thing is, there are some things that didn't turn out good, so I have to redo it again.
How about the interior?
He's gonna do the interior.
What about this one? How's this one going?
This one, if everything goes well, by Sunday you get paint.
Black?
Black. Yeah.
I really like the stance on this one. The way it just sits.
I just rolled the fenders on this one. It was.
Why is it really welded in there?
It's just really. It's just. I never done Miata, so I never didn't know how to do it.
So you also not do fender rolling también?
No, I don't know. I'm not.
You're like, no.
No. I don't do shit.
I forgot a haircut?
Huh?
I forgot a haircut?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
It's coming off. It's time to mark the timing because it's not showing. I had the same issue with Rosie on the pulley. Either you erased or whatever the case, but it just wasn't showing properly. So doing that, and man, this whole thing needs to be cleaned up. Really dirty again. Brake calipers, let me see. The pad still has a little bit of life, so that's good. But yeah, the whole car needs to be cleaned again. I may do that in the upcoming weeks. Check out the wheels and just go to town. Seems like the timing was off a little bit, and maybe that's the reason why my I had, even right now, I'm still having issues with my starter. Well, I thought it was my starter, my ignition. As you guys know, I've replaced that a couple times, so I think it might be that. It might be that I need to make sure that the timing was right, and then I wouldn't have to change all starters in the ignition string. But we'll see. If after he fixes the timing, I'm still having issues with the ignition, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order like an OEM ignition cylinder and everything. I mean, I've replaced that so many different times, but it has to be. The starter looks good because we bought a Denso one. He got me a Denso one a long time ago, so we know that that's a good one. It's on our little things. EGR valve, we went to check it out to see if O'Reilly had one. They don't in stock, so we're waiting for another one that Francisco ordered. So he'll be getting that.
I'm using paint because I don't have
Sharpie?
I don't have a Sharpie or red paint marker, so this will do.
doesn't have to be a certain color, right?
No, I mean it's red.
Red or white? So you're marking the whole three?
No, I'm just marking the middle one.
Oh, and then that way he'll know the outside.
Yeah. Okay. We're good.
So the middle represents what?
15.
That's a 15.
15 degrees.
And then the other side's?
I think 12.
Oh, okay. So it might have been that when I replaced the VTEC solenoid, I may have left the EGR valve connection loose, and so that's why it failed there on the Smog. We're still gonna clean the runner just to clean it, because move the injector line. Most likely we're still gonna replace the EGR valve just to replace it. I mean, why not? Just get out of the way. But that may have been the culprit. I left it loose. Well, they are dirty, but they're not clogged. I've had them where they're really clogged, and this is not it. So it must have been that I just didn't plug the freaking connector back to the EGR valve. Sucks. We're still gonna clean this up. What is that, brake cleaner? I just picked at it for hours.
Yeah?
Yeah. I was like, I don't know if I can put anything there that's liquid, you know? Well, this is a Francisco taught me how to, I guess, test your valve. Push it down, and then block where the vacuum would come out. If it holds pressure, then it's good. If it doesn't, obviously, so I'm pressing it down, blocking this little, it's creating vacuum, I guess, pressure, because it's clogged. Once we take it off, it should come up. There it is. So, okay. It was my fault. I didn't plug it back in properly. And we're gonna go straight to this Smog place since the timing has been fixed, and the EGR valve was just not connected through my own fault. Some may wonder, why did you drive an hour and a half to get the timing done? One, I don't know it myself. Otherwise, I would have done it myself. The EGR cleaning and all that stuff, I can do myself. I was okay with, you know, he still did it for me, but I could have done that myself. But most importantly, I don't really trust anybody else with my car. Like Francisco's the only one that I really trust. Like, I know that if I leave him and I say, hey, you know, get it fixed, he's gonna get it fixed. He's not gonna charge me for something that he didn't do. He's not gonna, you know, create this like, I don't know, this and this part was replaced when it wasn't. So that's the main reason why I like to cruise all the way over here. Yes, it's a drive, don't get me wrong, but I think that I'd rather drive for peace of mind than to just go down to a local mechanic there that it's gonna be like, oh yeah, this and this was wrong, when it wasn't. And we know that there's a lot of that going on. So anywho, plan is to drive an hour and some change back, and then go to the Smog place, and then we'll see what happens. We'll pass no problem now, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not the end of the world. I think this is more like first world problems. I think people that drive older cars understand that it's not as easy as the newer cars, you know, 03s and up, or 02s and up, whatever it is. You plug it into the ECU or the little, you know, sensor thing, whatever, and 20 minutes later, it's good. It comes with the territory when you drive older cars that you're going to be dealing with issues like this, and it is what it is, I guess. But alrighty guys, so we made it to the Smog place. Timing has been fixed. We'll see how it does, but yeah, should be a good time. hopefully we don't run into any issues, but I feel like she's good. She felt really, really, really good on the way here. It was an hours and change drive, but it felt good, and I think it should be fine. So